welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY. My name's Ashley, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Halloween themed crackers. So like the Christmas crackers, but flipping them on its head. So I'm all set up for my annual Halloween dinner, and I thought this would be a good addition. If you like this video, it would mean so much to me if you would like, subscribe, leave a comment, but without further ado, let's get to the DIY. For the supplies, you need all your gifts. You can make whatever gifts you want. You need a toilet paper roll, you need ribbon, you need glue, you need scissors, and you need, of course, the snaps. I started by drawing lines where the toilet paper roll is. So you're going to measure 2 centimeters on either side. So you'll draw 1 centimeter intervals each of the lines. Try to actually draw the lines straight though. I didn't draw them very straight here. So the lines are so you can fold the cracker. So please excuse my Christmas leggings. My Halloween portion of this video got deleted somehow, so this is my Christmas one. You're gonna start folding along the lines and kind of fold it into each other so that it's sort of like a pocket for when you cut. So start cutting little triangles in between the lines that you drew. Do it on either side. So take the glue gun and put a line of glue on the toilet paper roll and press it down so it's secure on the paper. Then start rolling the roll until it reaches the end. Make sure it's secure, and then take the glue gun and glue it so that it's flush along the entire edge. You're going to have to also take the little flaps at the end and glue it there as well. So put the snap through the cracker and glue it so that the snap is stuck to the actual cracker. This will make it so that it actually pops when you pull it. Put your gifts in and then tie a ribbon on either side of the toilet paper roll so that it's secure. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And please share your own Halloween traditions and Halloween crackers. The best thing is you can make them exactly how you want them to be. So happy Halloween.